小朋友，今天我们要去花园和草地，认识小昆虫和小动物。Let's meet the bugs and little animals. 出发喽！蜻蜓 Dragonfly 蜻蜓有透明的翅膀，在水边飞来飞去。Dragonflies have clear wings. They fly near water. 蟋蟀 Cricket 叽叽叽，晚上听到的声音就是蟋蟀在唱歌。Chirp chirp, that song at night is a cricket. 螳螂 Mantis 螳螂的前脚像小刀，会抓住小虫虫。A mantis has front legs like knives. It catches bugs. 甲虫 Beetle 甲虫身上有硬硬的壳，像穿了一件盔甲。Beetles have hard shells like wearing armor. 独角仙 Rhinoceros beetle 独角仙头上有长长的角，是甲虫家族的英雄。A rhinoceros beetle has a long horn, a real bug hero. 萤火虫 Firefly 哇，萤火虫晚上会发光，像会飞的小灯泡。Wow, fireflies glow at night, like flying little lights.